In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine your Excel version in just 5 minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting, planning an upgrade, or just curious, knowing your Excel version can be essential. Follow along as we guide you through a straightforward process to find this information. First step involves navigating to the free Microsoft 365 online suite. This suite includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other applications, all accessible via your favorite web browser. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to use Microsoft Office applications without installing software on their device. Upon reaching the website, you'll notice a prompt to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. This step is crucial because accessing detailed application information, like your Excel version, requires you to be logged into your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, consider creating one. It's simple and it unlocks a host of useful features. Once you click Sign In, you'll be asked to enter your email. Type in the email associated with your Microsoft account. This could be your personal email, work email, or even a school email, depending on how you've set up your Microsoft ecosystem. After entering your email, click Next. Microsoft takes security seriously, so follow any additional prompts they may have for you, like entering a password or completing a two-factor authentication process, depending on your account's security settings. Now let's get to the part why we're all here. For this demonstration, we'll use an example Excel file. If you don't have an Excel file ready, don't worry, you can easily create a new blank workbook to follow along, or find a sample file online. Microsoft offers a variety of templates and sample files for free. Open your example file, and once it's loaded, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of your Excel window. This area of Excel is like the central hub for everything unrelated to the immediate data you're working with. From saving and opening files, to checking out Excel's options and settings, it's all here. Hover your mouse over the Info category within the File menu. This section provides a goldmine of details about your workbook and Excel itself. It's where you'll find specifics about document protection, sharing, and most importantly for us, account info, which subtly includes the Excel version you are using. Now for the final step, locate the build information, which essentially tells you the Excel version. This detail might seem nestled among other less relevant information, but it's there, offering a straightforward way to understand the version and build of Excel you're currently working with. By understanding these steps, you have learned not just how to find your Excel version, but also navigated through key parts of Excel's online interface and potentially Microsoft's online Office suite. Remember, different versions of Excel might have slight variations in appearance and functionality. So, knowing your version can help personalize your learning and usage of this powerful tool. It's also worth noting that staying up to date with the latest version of Excel ensures you have access to the newest features and security updates. Microsoft frequently updates its Office suite, including Excel, to introduce new functionalities and address any vulnerabilities. By knowing how to check your version, you can easily verify if you're working on the latest build, or if it might be time to update. Lastly, don't hesitate to explore the Account or Office Account section under the File menu for more insights about your software. Apart from your Excel version, you can find license details, manage your subscriptions, and even customize your Office background and theme to make your workspace truly your own. Today's quick tutorial aimed to empower you with the knowledge to identify your Excel version efficiently, enhancing your overall experience and productivity. Thank you for joining us. Whether you're solving a complex problem, learning something new, or just exploring, knowing your tools intimately is the first step to mastery. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy excelling.